I'm Toad, and today I'm at the park again. Yeah, it's a really cool park with lots of stuff. So let's start with this spinning thing. Wow! Came on this thing. Let's go. Wow. This is not actually that fast. I think I'm gonna make it. Hopefully it doesn't start going really fast. Oh no, it started to go really fast! Ah! No! I'm gonna fall. Yeah, I'm probably gonna fall soon. Ow! Let's try the spinning thing again. Ow! This is a really fun thing and it's right over here. Fenced off. Uh-oh. But luckily, we can go in this house. Yeah. This little baby house. And I also see the swings. Yeah. Let's go on the baby swings first. No, not that one. No. Oh, okay, go this one. I'm gonna do the super spin of the baby swings. Time for the spinning! Now we're gonna go in regularly. Yeah! This is too high! This is too high! Stop it! No! Now let's go on the flattest big boy swing ever! Okay. It's pretty scary. It's not as safe as the bow. Huge giant obstacle course. Okay. And let's just get into here. Okay. We can kind of bump around in this. This is a bit too bumpy. Hey, what's this? Maybe is it for doing this? No, I honestly don't know. Hey, we're gonna go on the big scary obstacle course. Yeah. I'm gonna make it. Next, we're gonna go on the monkey bars. Okay, I landed on this thing. So what am I supposed to do here? I think I got it. Okay. Now we're on this thing. So, okay. We got there, and then we go. Yeah. Okay. So I've gotten on this one, and now. Ow! Ow! Wait a minute. Can I just jump to right here? Yeah, I can do that to get to the next step. It's hard. Okay. Whoa! Okay. You gotta drop this ladder and then. Whoa. Okay. Oh, look at this. That's nice. Wow. Ow. Okay. And then we get up here, then we climb up here. Okay, what's this? Yes, we're up here. And then, I think I gotta get to that slide over there. Let's do this thing. Just climb up here and then, what's that over there? Okay, so over here. Okay, we're up here now. And now, the last part, the scary slide. Here it is. Wow. That was the best slide ever. Let's go down again. Wow. Okay. Yeah, really fun. Okay. There was another playground close up, so I'm gonna go here too. Wow. This is a strange ladder. Here. Yes. Here we go. Yeah. Okay.
No, like.
Two more. Okay. Now on the last one. There we go.
I can't.
Yes.
Sorry, that's not
Here we go.
about.
Okay. Wow. Ow. Let's get up here. Okay. We're gonna go all across this web. Okay. Back to doing this. Yeah, I made it. Wow. So what does this do? It spins. Kind of. It's a terrible spinny thing. Look at it. Spin you. That's terrible. How do I go on these? Yep. Yeah, I made it. Okay. I'm gonna cross this dangerous rope thing. It's really tiny. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Let's go through all these. And now for the last three, I'm just gonna jump through. Ow! I failed. I'm just gonna jump to this last one. Next, there's the castle fortress. Okay, here it goes. Wow. Come on in here, Rainbow Cat. Wow, okay. And now, is it done? No, still going. Yeah, just watch it from here. And now, I'm gonna climb these. Okay, next, I get out of here. Oh, that failed. And next, I get out of here again, so I won't fail. Woo! Yahoo! Woo! Let's see if this is gonna go up like a ladder. Yeah. Got caught in the spider web. So, next I'm gonna roll down the hill. Okay. Here I go! What is this? Water? Well, you know the camera's afraid of water. But, can I jump through? I made it, but I got wet.